So all these days, we were most certain about the date when Samsung will held the Unpacked event. Ice Universe, who is a very reliable leaker especially when it comes to Samsung devices, tipped long before that the event will take place on 5th of August, and blindfolded or not, I believed it. Now today Samsung officially confirmed the date through this teaser, which interestingly has this mystic bronze colored drop effect, confirming all these leaks and rumors about the matte color variant Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra will indeed admire. Honestly, I'm looking forward to these color variants because they look perfect to me, and I'm also okay with the design as it has a lot to offer in terms of specifications. I don't want to explain it in details because you guys are well aware of this, and I have some good and bad news to share with you. So let's maintain the flow and start with the good one, which is about the new S Pen. According to Jimmy's promo, who previously leaked the real-life pictures of Note 20 Ultra, the S Pen which will accompany the Note 20 series are actually similar to the current S Pen on Note 10 devices, so no changes in terms of length, width or anything at all. It's just that the location of S Pen and the speaker grill have moved to the opposite side on the newer flagships, and Samsung is also gonna introduce this feature where the S Pen will behave like a digital pointer, but unlike a mouse, users are required to press and hold the button to move the pointer. With the help of this feature, you can highlight the text, tap on icons and navigate around like you do with a mouse connected to your PC sitting on the desk. Also, the pointer's color, speed and style could be tweaked, and I believe this feature is eventually gonna get famous and target users who use Samsung's text on usual. I wish it becomes a possibility with this iteration of Note so that it gets refined over time, and next year when we have a more powerful processor, we can use it without any problem. Additionally, because it's a software related feature, I wonder if Samsung will roll out updates to the current Note and Tab S series devices, as they are also known for the S Pen utility. Moving on, we now have to discuss the bad news, so let's switch to it. According to South Korean publication ET News, Samsung is planning to exclude a charger from the box components for some phones. A few days before, we heard Apple has a similar plan for the future iPhone lineup, and today it's no surprise for me that Samsung is following Apple for it. Every time Apple do something new, even if it's stupid like the removal of headphone jack or the infamous notch, Android makers criticize the brand for a week or so and end up copying it shamelessly. Samsung is doing the same, and you'll indeed see some Galaxy devices shipped without charger inside the box as soon as next year, and we can do nothing about it because other companies will also fall for it. That said, let me know your thoughts about this in the comments down below. I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace.